Aranta digemerma d'amañ e Cottonwood Ranch. Penaos ober anv deus a stadouinanet a deus Colorado ep menegi ar goboiet. Varz ur mel ranch emo maman e Granby a be var divar ar lusk ar rodeoioù ou spensevel lonet korn. Demta d'ober an aodegez gant ar formil.
From this valley they say you are going. I will miss your bright eyes and sweet smile. They say you are taking the sunshine that has brightened our pathway wide. Come and sit by my side if you love me. Do not hasten to bid me adieu, but remember the Red River Valley and the cowboy who loves you so true.
Hi Tish, how are you doing?
Hi, I'm well. How are you?
Thank you for welcoming me here on your ranch.
You're welcome. Sure.
We might go down the horses?
Yes.
Okay.
So my great-grandpa homesteaded here down the trip in 1883. So I'm the fourth generation. My kids are the fifth generation. And my dad really is the one who started the rodeo. His dad had 1,500 sheep.
Wow.
So we kind of keep that going, and then they had cattle, and my dad mostly did cattle. We're the ones feeding the world. The people in ag are the ones feeding the world, and if you can enjoy it, then that's what we want the kids to do.
Gant e bradeier e gwajeier hag e bouloudour en emasten ranch ar famil Linke war 1300 deveza arat. Dekwech men un atanetre e breiz memeustra. Rannet e an douarou tre tiche hag e breur, Merit, staliet e tu al an draonien. Tiche ravar dro an atan palabour e gwastoni vel ijin ou reker.
In agriculture, farming or ranching, whatever, someone has to have a town job. Like my mom and my grandmas both were teachers.
A lot of white eggs today.
We do with everything, goats, sheep, pigs, and beefs. We kind of diversify and have a lot of different animals and try to do the meat and the retail stuff because it's a little more profit margin than just selling at a sale barn, the animals, so.
Met birvil a zo e ker Granby hiu force pegemen, pavo fenoz a rodeo braz evit lida ar gwell broadel. A tiech, evel I bugale, a zo sot gant a rodeo.
So I've got Batman and Colonel. Colonel is the one Sago learned to ride on, and she does trick riding. And Batman is Sago's horse that she's been working on. When my dad was a teenager, they first started rodeo, and his dad helped him. It's a big family affair. We take all 12 of our horses over there for every one of them has a job.
My heel horse, we bought him for my brother's bulldogging horse, but he didn't really work out, so he's a really nice heel horse. So he's my heel horse, and that's what he's good at. And then I have my other horse, Shotgun. He does barrels, pulls, goats. And then Foster and I, we share a breakaway and tie-down horse. His name's Sniper, and that's what he's good at.
Pazigouer e Flying Hills Arena tachen a rodeo e zeus un tammad a dud war ar plas dija.
Get them all brushed and cleaned off and saddled up.
Upon a ridge he rested as
Aberdei viden tam labor prientine.
went on, and once a mighty herd of red-eyed cows he saw, plowing through the ragged skies and up the cloudy draw.
My parents started this arena in 1969, so it was probably pretty much a hill, kind of like what's behind us there, and they and a bunch of other volunteers leveled this out and just kept building and kept building and kept building, but had rodeos. My dad, growing up, there was a little rodeo arena down kind of where those houses are now, and he participated in rodeos in there. So Granby's had rodeos since 1943.
E penkenta an abarde e krog an traoù gar rodeo ar Youenn.
Like a fire lady, danger in her eyes, rock and roll baby, born a little wild, dancing with the
Setu tro sego, mertej da ziskwez diom e bareges.
boys that bring Jesus, help me please.
Oups, ne ket kenez a ze. Matez e c'hellfem goulenn tamm displegaden gant un ispicial lour. Foster, breuren an sego a flint da skouer.
Now see, this is a head rope. I'm gonna be roping the head of the steer. So it's gonna be about halfway, 2/3 down, and then I'll feed it. So when I feed it, I start with a smaller loop, and then after the first swing, I'll feed rope into it. I'll let my hand open and slip a little rope. See if you hear that sliding sound.
People talking about what is and what ain't country. What gives them the right to wear a pair of beat-up boots? Is it the size of your tires and your fires or your wild-ass buddies? Well, give me a minute, let me hit you with some hometown truth. You can be a cowboy on the Texas plain or a plowboy waiting on the rain. We're all a little different, but we're all the same. Everybody doing their own thing. Men on the road.
A divezator diouz an oz e krog gant an traoù Sirius.
With a few more rides and a little bit of luck.
Lezel ran a ran eur ober potred an e glaskin ket.
Running up the trail to the challenge shows where the feels are getting higher everywhere that I go. When it's all that you know, what else can you do? Just keep heading with the steel kick holes in the bows. I ain't gonna be in Amarillo by morning, and I won't be in San Antonio.
Kasaradazonj din deus kliché d'o digas ed aliez gas ket den oan tele, met o veva an abadedman, gant an dud, e komprener e kalz donor eget ze. Ne ket folkloraj, met de loden deus o doare beva e gwirionne. Dan de war l'er e ar pe war a viz gwere, deiz ar gwell broadel. A tud a zo e ker. Ma mad neus gret de zevi l'akadem gav ga Wayne ma mignon brezoneger. Meus ket gwellenian di ba oe ma zon net kuit deus Denver. Azelta Wayne, mon ara?
Yeah.
Waouh, on a gadu d'un man. Ur spong.
Am nerger zo brau, plijus, digor d'an ol, bez tu koz, tu revien tout, e ker yo bien gizer, quasiment an ol tub, e ker, hag e mer pers, en di benadeg.
We're free to do this. A lot of places you can't do this. And we can sit here on the curb and nobody bothers us. And, you know, it's a way of life.
It brings the community together, and then, you know, of course, we're not from Colorado, we're from Texas.
We're from Texas.
So,
Okay.
you know, it brings us a sense to come out here and celebrate with the Katell folk and everything.
Evit Wayne be kaset ar brezel en Irak hag en Afganistan da c'houde, en eus an devezman en dalvoudegez ispicial eve just.
Ar sardinan et ve doujet, tre a vet arantet, zo tu deus ne Hazelbed, deus Vietnam, deus prezelioù nevez orchier, del maini. Mazad boe Vietnam. Kaset in beg gant an vro. Hag se zo mega vin eo normal, doujan eo valer, skomz em eus gant tud deus an el brezelbed, ur vech gant an den deus brezelbed kenta. Met disanvel eo, a mare, met chomaha trao boutin, inta war, petre. Ya, mega brao tre.
Met en ur skraba en tom an arguzen ou divachore, et te buan varvel e jom torret ar gevredigez amerikan goude d'ar voujou a c'hwer a viz genver daou vilen varnugen, a disor ar votadego nachet gatudzo.
Independence Day has been kind of a little bit low for me in the past. This is the first time I've worn the flag for many years because I felt like it was not my flag.
Really?
But now I decided it's my flag too. Everyone can wear a flag. I'm a little bit more liberal and I decided, you know, everyone can wear the flag. It's all Americans' flag and
Trying to retake it.
I am retaking the flag and I haven't been so proud of my country, but I am proud of my country. Anyone can say whatever they would like without censorship to a point. Not so happy about what's going on in my country, but we're gonna take it back. We're gonna get our rights back. It's time. It's time. And what has happened can't happen anymore. I'm just proud to be an American.
An deiz goude an deiz broadel, va digwe e termen mazroi a chiwas.
Brem tez gwelet an tom deus Colorado. C'est brem petrei Colorado dit.
A livioù e natur a zo bormus, a livioù hag megavdin an dut. Brokuzin, gentil, digemerus e force peser kenver, a ne var non ket. Hag an ren, an eus ket tu degise e Brest.
A moto?
Ya, poenemon.
Ya.
Merci Braz, dit Wayne, mes chances velin ar anno de Brest, bet hein.
Plija de ebet, ya.
Extra. Merci Braz, dit. Vid an tam tro.
Ya.
Ken viguel et ken arrenta.
If you're traveling in the North Country Fire, where the winds hit heavy on the borderline, remember me to one who lives there, for she once was a true love of mine. If you go when the snowflakes storm